Hi! Today I'm going to show you a very precious property that I'm very excited about. This property sits on a much coveted address, boasts a large plot of land, and the unit itself has got layout that is really rare in Singapore. Hi, I'm Nicole from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division, and welcome to Belmond Green. First, let's head up to the unit that I can't wait to show you. Here we are at the unit that I was telling you about that I was very excited to show you. This is a duplex penthouse, 2453 square feet, spread over 2 floors with 5 rooms altogether. And over here, as we stand in the living room, you can see how nice and bright it is. We've got lots of natural light thanks to the fact that we are actually on the top floor. And we also enjoy a very good north-south orientation. So when this is open and that is open, you get very good crosswind throughout the day, all year round. And over here, we've got a very regular shaped living room. Okay, it's very rectangular, elongated, and these walls are the wooden fixtures, are the owner's own fixtures, and you can certainly take them down. Let's take a look at the view from our living room. We actually enjoy a very nice pocket view, especially when you step out across Yubun Road and also all the way to Bukit Timah side. And we have an upcoming Sloven Residences that is coming up next to us. The good thing is that we don't have any units that are directly looking in on us. All the units are facing away, and what we get to enjoy instead is a very nice facade that they're going to present to us. Borrowed view. I love that all the rooms in Belmond Green in this unit are very regular shaped and lots of natural light flooding the room. As you can see where I am now, we've got 2 big windows, one top and bottom, giving us a lot of natural light, and the view from this unit, from this bedroom, is beautiful. We're coming to my favorite room in this whole unit. Why? Because we've got a very special double volume ceiling that actually gives us lots of light and lots of sense of space. And there's actually more that you can do with this space that you get. That is a bonus. Why? Because there are only 4 units in Belmond Green that actually gives you this loft space. This room also comes with an attached bathroom. You can take a look. All the bathrooms in this unit have got big windows, which I really appreciate because they give you lots of ventilation, lots of natural light as well, and keeps the bathroom very dry all the time. We are in yet another very spacious room. As you can see, we've got big bed, 2 wardrobes, and still a lot of space to play around with. And while here, I just want to point out how close we are to Orchard Road. You can actually see all the buildings in Orchard Road from here. We're just like a few minutes drive from there. The kitchen space is functional, bright, and airy, with big windows, which is very rare in condos in Singapore. Let's see what we have in store for you upstairs. Actually, what really marks this penthouse apart from other penthouses that I've seen is that the second floor of the penthouse is very nicely laid out. We've got a family area which is a good size, with the potential of actually extending out further across the loft space that we showed you earlier. So with the family area right outside your master bedroom, what you can enjoy is actually a private sanctuary for the master and mistress of the house. So imagine when your kids and all are asleep downstairs, you get to enjoy this little haven upstairs just by yourselves. Many penthouses in Singapore come with an upper floor that is completely taken up by an outdoor roof terrace. That actually renders it as unusable space because you know our weather in Singapore is really so hot, right? So most people will actually end up not using their roof terrace. But what we've got here for this unit is actually a very good sized roof terrace, just nice for some of your potted plants, for a little herb garden, for a dining patio, and for the family to simply enjoy some space outdoors. How important this outdoor space is for the entire family. Belmond Green is 17 years old, freehold, and sits on a very valuable plot of land on Balmoral Road, which is in Prime District 10. And it is a coveted address because it is within 1 kilometer to 2 very branded schools in Singapore, ACS and SCGS. Now, it also sits on the largest plot of land on Balmoral Road. It spans across 163,822 square feet with only 211 units on site. Just for perspective and comparison, the Height, which is being built down the road, is building 117 units on only 36,000 square feet of land, which is less than a quarter of our sites. So, this makes Belmond Green a very priceless and valuable plot that many people would want. If you don't want to settle for the ordinary, this could be the extraordinary that you've been looking for all your life. I'm Nicole from OrangeTee and Tie. Call me, let me show you how we can make that happen.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and tie.